Have you ever considered how much your life would change if you could break free from porn addiction? It's a question many grapple with in silence, a question that brings to light the hidden struggles faced by countless individuals across the globe. In this digital age where temptation lurks at every corner, the issue of porn addiction has become increasingly prevalent. It's a silent epidemic, often overlooked, but with profound implications on one's mental health, relationships, and overall quality of life. It's a battle fought in the shadows, away from the prying eyes of society. But it's time to bring this issue into the light. Acknowledging the problem is the first most crucial step towards recovery. It's about looking at yourself in the mirror and saying, yes, I have a problem, and yes, I'm ready to change. Acceptance might be difficult, but it's the first step towards recovery. Now that you've acknowledged the issue, what are your goals? Goals are the compass that guides us to our destination. They give us a sense of direction, a roadmap to follow. When it comes to overcoming porn addiction, setting clear, achievable goals is paramount. Think about what you want to achieve, where you want to be. Do you want to be porn-free for a week, a month, or perhaps a year? Break down your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable targets. This could be as simple as not watching porn today or spending less time online. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. This approach can help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to recovery. You can also set personal growth goals such as read a book a week or exercise for 30 minutes a day. These positive goals will not only distract you from your addiction, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, success requires a clear vision, so define your goals. Are you ready to share your struggle with someone you trust? Opening up about your challenges is a courageous act, and it's a critical step in overcoming porn addiction. Building a support system is not about seeking sympathy, it's about creating a network of understanding, encouragement, and accountability. Start with someone you trust, someone who would listen without judgment. It could be a close friend, a family member, or a mentor. Share your goals with them and let them know how they can support you. Their role might be as simple as checking in on your progress or providing a listening ear when things get tough. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to lean on others. It doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. Building a strong support system is like building a safety net. It ensures that when you stumble, you won't fall. You don't have to face this battle alone. Reach out to your loved ones for support. How can you limit your exposure to explicit content? Let's dive into some practical steps. In this digital age, technology can be a double-edged sword. It's a source of temptation, but also a powerful tool to help you regain control. Start by installing website blockers or parental control software. These tools can filter out explicit content, making it harder for you to stumble upon it. You can also consider deleting apps or accounts that often lead you down the wrong path. Another effective approach is to change your browsing habits. If you find yourself mindlessly surfing the web late at night, try to switch to more constructive activities during these vulnerable hours. Remember, you're taking control of your environment, not letting it control you. By restricting access to explicit content, you're setting boundaries for your digital world. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Make it harder for yourself to access explicit content. What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? This question is key to developing healthy habits that can replace the time spent on porn. It's all about substitution. Instead of filling your time with harmful content, why not indulge in activities that enrich your life? Reading a book, going for a run, learning to play an instrument, immersing yourself in a hobby, or even just catching up with friends. These are all positive, fulfilling activities that can distract from the urge to consume explicit content. Incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine can significantly aid in overcoming addiction. It's about more than just abstaining from porn. It's about filling your life with meaningful, engaging experiences that provide a sense of accomplishment and joy. So, make a list of things you love to do. Prioritize them over your addictive habits. Fill your time with activities that enrich your life rather than deplete it. Are you ready to dig deeper into the root cause of your addiction? Therapy can play a pivotal role in overcoming addiction. It's not just about stopping the behavior, but understanding the why behind it. Therapists are experts in the human psyche and can help you unearth underlying issues that may be fueling your addiction. Whether it's stress, loneliness, or past trauma, these professionals can provide you with the tools to address these issues in a healthy way. They can help you develop coping mechanisms and strategies to manage triggers and cravings. Therapy is a judgment-free zone where you can freely express your thoughts and feelings. It's a space for healing and growth, where you can gain insights into your behavior and work towards change. Remember, it's okay to seek help. Therapists are trained to guide you through this journey. Seeking professional help is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards reclaiming control over your life. Do you know the real impact of porn on your mental health? It's something we often overlook, thinking it's merely a harmless diversion. But science tells us otherwise. Prolonged exposure to pornography can lead to a host of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and even addiction. Just like any other addiction, it rewires your brain, altering the way you perceive pleasure and satisfaction. This can have devastating effects on your relationships, your self-esteem, and your overall quality of life. So, how can you combat this? By educating yourself. Dive into the research, read about the experiences of others, and truly understand the negative effects of porn on your psyche. This knowledge will not only strengthen your resolve, but also equip you with the tools to deal with cravings and setbacks. Remember, knowledge is not just about understanding the problem, but also about discovering the path to recovery. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself and strengthen your resolve to quit. Have you ever tried to focus on the present moment without judgment? That's what mindfulness is all about. It's about anchoring yourself in the now, observing your thoughts and feelings without criticism. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful allies in overcoming porn addiction. They help you regain control over your thoughts and impulses. Imagine your mind as a turbulent sea. The waves represent your thoughts and emotions, constantly moving, sometimes peaceful, other times stormy. Meditation allows you to find calm amidst the chaos. It's like learning to stand firm on a rock, watching the waves without being swept away. Through mindfulness, you can learn to recognize triggers and manage them effectively. You can train your mind to respond differently to urges, breaking the cycle of addiction. It's not about suppressing thoughts or feelings, but observing them with a compassionate and non-judgmental attitude. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for regaining control over your thoughts and impulses. Who can you trust to hold you accountable on your journey? It's a question that carries weight, especially when it comes to overcoming a deeply personal challenge like porn addiction. An accountability partner can serve as a beacon of hope, a source of support, and a reminder of the commitment you've made to yourself. This individual could be someone who is also battling an addiction, a close friend, or a mentor. Their role is to provide an extra layer of motivation and to help you stay focused on your objectives. They're there to listen when the journey gets tough, to celebrate your victories, and to remind you of your strength when you stumble. Remember, this is not about judgment or criticism. It's about fostering a sense of responsibility and mutual respect. It's about standing together in the face of adversity and pushing each other towards growth and recovery. Accountability partners can provide mutual support and encouragement. Find someone you trust. How will you celebrate your milestones? It's a question that carries a lot of weight. As we journey through the process of overcoming porn addiction, it's vital to pause, look back, and appreciate the strides we've made. Recognition of progress, no matter how small, is a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward. Every time we resist temptation, every time we choose a healthier habit over indulging in porn, we are making progress, and this progress deserves to be celebrated. It could be as simple as a pat on the back, a special treat, or even a day out doing something you love. These moments of celebration are not just about rewarding ourselves. They're about acknowledging our strength, our determination, and our ability to change. They're about recognizing that we're not defined by our struggles, but by our ability to overcome them. Every step forward is an achievement. Celebrate your progress and keep moving forward.